up guys, welcome back to my new video. So Granny Varsity here. So today we're gonna do Fajikochi. Oh so I hate you. Oh I'm wet already. Got him.
Wait na, happy ka pa.
You pranked me. To be continued. Let's play Battlefield Challenge. No worries. Oh! Why again? It's so cold. To be continued, she pranked me again and again and again. Don't try this again. So today, we're gonna do Battlefield Challenge. Don't look at me because I'm wet already because of her. So let's play Battlefield Challenge. Wait, gonna turn the camera on. I'm wet, so look at that. I hate you. So there, that camera. I'm thinking here. So oh man, the wind. It's so cold. So let's change the bottle. So this is the bottle flip. Dub. 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 Dub.
Cheater.
Don't you dare. Look right, guys. I'm gonna wet myself again. Oh, so cold! So thank you guys for watching. Go changers. So maybe we'll make it tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, even though it's unintentional prank. So I'm gonna post it on YouTube now. So goodbye guys, thank you. Can you please can you please goodbye, just goodbye, just goodbye, just goodbye. I can't stop it because my hands are wet. So just close it.